Hello everyone and welcome back to Gear Adventures. Today we are going to be doing a single motor test on the Ariel Rider Grizzly version 3. It does have dual motors, we could use both. We're only going to do one, we'll see how much distance we can get off it. We are at the Northwest Lancaster County River Trail today. We're going to try to do at least 50 miles if we can. Our starting point at the historical Columbia Wrightsville Bridge. So again, I'm hoping to try to get 50 miles. It might rain today. They're saying it's not going to, but it definitely looks like it's going to. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I don't get wet. That's the goal, but we'll see how it goes. So we are starting at 58.7 volts. There is, as you can see, elevation here up and down, so it's not a completely flat trail. So while we're here, let's go ahead and look at this. So we are at 56.9 volts with no load and 9.58 miles, 47 minutes. So from underneath here, this ledge could get out, so I'm not going to go too far out on it. You're standing below, you can see it. It's the Susquehanna River. Coming up on your left. You're at 14.22 mile. 56.7 volts, not under load. So, got a good distance we can go yet. Let's head out to the main road a little bit. Bam, we're at almost 20 mile and 56 volts under no load. Under load 54.4. Is it creepy to ride around a cemetery? Alright.
Ranger?
Nope.
Oh,
Nope.
I thought maybe you were.
Nope.
You look official.
Oh, do I? Well, that's good. Yep, you too. So we are at 31.4 miles. Start at 53.9 volts. Under no load. Might go ahead and load down on it. 52.3. About 52.2. Okay, so I got 34 miles in 2 hours and 39 minutes. I'm still at 53.6 volts. With load, I was down to 51.3, somewhere around there, 51.2. It's about halfway, 34 miles. Okay, so we're at 54 volts, and we're going to start riding a few more miles here. Okay, so I'm almost to 10 mile, under no load, 51.3 volts, under load, 49.6 right now. Volts. 10.9 miles. Okay, so not under load, we're starting at 51.4 volts. We're gonna get 10 more miles at least in.
Begin workout.
Single motor. So I'm at 40, well, get under load. I'm at 48.7 volts. I just hit 4 miles. Not under load, I'm at 50.3 volts. So we're at 12.39 miles. Under no load is 49.1 volts. Under load, we're at 47.3. So real quick, even under load right now, going up a hill, handling 46.2 volts, 28 mile an hour. I should start dying down here as this hill gets steeper. I mean, good size hill that I'm climbing right now, and I'm still 25 mile an hour. So that's the first time my power has actually dropped down. I can't get over 25 mile an hour. Finally, about 47 volts, I guess, is where it happens. You lose that extra boost of power and it starts to drop down. Okay, so we're at 23 mile. I got 46.6 volts, not under load. I'm coming up on a hill here. Like it's dragging up hills right now up to this point. So let's see here. I'm at 21. We'll go ahead and get down on it. 45.8, down to 14 mile an hour. So under load, 45.7, on a hill, 11 mile an hour. Full throttle right now, 45.6 volts, 45.5 volts. Yeah, I mean, this thing doesn't have enough to even get it up the hill, I don't think. Yeah, it's just crawling at this point. 6 mile an hour, I might start pedaling here. Yeah, I ain't gonna get up this hill. So, yep, pedal, yep. All right, so 45.6 volts under full throttle with pedaling. Yep, we're at our end. So, let's get down here and stop. Our total mileage. 46 volts, not under throttle. So 45.5 under throttle. 24.36 miles. So yeah, realistically, I put it right at the 70 mile mark. This is where we went. We're just a little under. So it will get me back to the house, which is probably going to be that extra distance with battery, with pedaling obviously, but it'll help a little bit. voltage assistance, 45.2 volts underpowered. Load, I should say. So here's the next question. How long does it take to charge both batteries when they're completely dead?